Fix in 5. Got a P0487? Let's break it down, what it is, why it happens, and how to fix it. You can keep driving, for now. For now is doing a lot of work there. First, the symptoms. Check engine light, CEL, illuminated on dashboard, reduced engine performance or power loss, increased fuel consumption, rough idle or unstable RPM at standstill, engine hesitation during acceleration. Now the most likely causes. Open or broken wiring in the EGR throttle control circuit. Loose or corroded electrical connectors at the EGR valve or ECM. Failed EGR throttle control solenoid. EGR valve stuck in open or closed position. ECM programming error or corruption. What does it cost? Roughly €65, €180 doing it yourself, or €185, €300 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it. Repair or replace damaged wiring in the EGR throttle control circuit. Clean or reseat corroded electrical connectors with dielectric grease. Replace the EGR throttle control solenoid if resistance test shows open circuit. Replace or rebuild the EGR valve if mechanical failure is confirmed. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, is it safe to drive with P0487? Short trips may be possible with P0487 active, but extended driving is not recommended. A medium-severity fault like this can worsen over time and lead to additional damage or failures. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0487. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.